In today's activity, children will play an activity related to the development of their small muscles, enhancing the strength and skillfulness of their fingers. This will eventually help children engage in tasks involving fine motor skills such as writing, artistic activities, and more. In this activity, you only need to use an old paper or newspaper. So come, let's see how this activity can be conducted with the children. In this engaging activity, the facilitator involves the children in creating fans from newspapers to beat the heat. The facilitator takes on a guiding role, leading the children through the folding process while offering praise and encouragement. The children enthusiastically participate and the facilitator ensures a hands-on approach, making sure each child is involved in the creative process. Once the fans are successfully made, there is a celebration and the children clap for themselves. To make the activity more enjoyable, you can teach them to fold paper and make other things like a paper ball, a paper purse, or even an animal. Thank you for joining us. We will meet again soon with a new activity.